The international rowing competition under the name of Tajikistan Slalom Open is going to be held in Tajikistan from March 20 to 24. Before the tournament took place the official opening ceremony of the competition. The Deputy Mayor of Dushanbe, Dilbar Odilzoda, congratulated all the guests to Tajikistan and explained that the organization of such sports event is the result of continuous support of the Mayor of Dushanbe, His Excellency Rustem Money to sports. At the same time, the guests also expressed their impressions regarding the choice of the venue of the slalom cycling competition. The competition started after the end of the official part of the event. According to the representatives of this kind of sport in Tajikistan, this kind of rowing is a new type in our country, and 6 sportsmen consisted of 4 boys and 2 girls have already prepared for this competition. It should be noted that in Tajikistan Slalom Open are participating 8 countries and 16 teams and more than 100 rowers are currently in Tajikistan. At the end of the competition, all sportsmen were awarded.